Good morning, my English learners. This is Everyday with Abdul Samad, your favorite place to start your day in English. Every morning is a new chance to grow, and today I'll give you 5 simple things you can do every morning to improve your English fast and effectively. First of all, learning English doesn't have a big, boring or difficult. Just like brushing your teeth or drinking your coffee, you can make it a part of your morning habit. Here are 5 things you can do every morning to practice English and become more fluent. Step number 1. Listen to 5 minutes of English. Start your day by listening to English, a podcast, a YouTube video, or English music. It helps your ears and brain wake up in English. Use slow English audio if you're a beginner. Step number 2. Read one short text. Find a short article, a story, or even your favorite quote in English. Read them out loud. It improves pronunciation and vocabulary. Even one paragraph a day is powerful. Step number 3. Learn 3 new words. Every morning, learn just 3 new words. Write them down, say them, and try to use them in sentences. And step number 4. Speak for 1 minute. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm going to provide you with an example. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm getting ready for work. The more you speak, the confident you become. Step number 5. Write one sentence in a journal. Write one simple sentence about your day, your goal, your mood. For example, today I will practice English for 10 minutes. This helps you think in English. Let's have a quick recap. First, listen. 5 minutes of English. Read one paragraph a day. Learn 3 new words. Speak to yourself for a minute. Write one English sentence. Remember, it is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. One step every day will take you very far. Make English your morning friend. Start small, stay strong, and enjoy your journey. Thank you for joining me this morning on Everyday English with Abdul Samad. If you follow this 5 steps routine every morning, your English will improve. I promise you. Subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and come back tomorrow for your day English boost. Have a great day and speak English with confidence.